When your aftermarket infotainment system won't turn on, power and ground issues are the most common culprits, accounting for nearly half of all failures. We'll systematically check each component. The power system consists of three critical connections. The yellow wire provides constant 12 volts to maintain memory. The red wire supplies switched 12 volts that turns the unit on. The black wire provides the ground connection. Use a digital multimeter to test voltage levels. The minimum operating voltage is 11.5 volts. With the engine off, you should see 12.6 volts or higher. When the engine is running, voltage should be between 13.8 and 14.4 volts. Follow this systematic testing procedure. Set your multimeter to DC voltage mode, then test the yellow wire for constant power and the red wire for switched power that activates with the ignition. Ground connections are critical and frequently overlooked. Ground resistance must not exceed 0.1 ohms. Poor grounds are especially common in vehicles with aluminum body panels. Ensure connections are clean and tight. Test both vehicle and unit fuses using a test light. A good fuse will show power on both sides. Check the fuse box and any inline fuses in the wiring harness. This simple step can save hours of troubleshooting. Industry data shows that 45% of aftermarket infotainment failures are power-related, 23% involve ground issues, and only 8% are actually blown fuses. This makes systematic power and ground testing your most effective troubleshooting approach. When power and ground connections are solid, but your aftermarket head unit still won't turn on, the issue often lies in CAN bus integration. Modern vehicles use CAN bus communication for data exchange between electronic modules. To verify CAN bus integrity, check for proper signal levels and message traffic. CAN high and CAN low should show differential signaling patterns. Look for 120 ohm termination resistance at network endpoints and ensure data rates match vehicle specifications. If CAN bus signals appear normal, try a hard reset by disconnecting the battery for 15 minutes or more. This clears all vehicle modules and allows the system to reinitialize properly. For a CAN bus-specific reset, try cycling the ignition 3 times with 30-second intervals between each cycle. This forces the vehicle's CAN network to reinitialize and can resolve communication conflicts. As a last resort, look for manufacturer-specific factory reset procedures or firmware recovery options. Many head units have service modes accessible through button combinations that can restore corrupted software. Keep in mind that CAN bus problems represent 18% of modern installation failures. For vehicles newer than 2020, professional installation is often recommended due to the increased complexity of vehicle integration systems.